How to remove yellow stains on toilet seat. Having to use a toilet with yellow stains is disgusting for you and for guests in your home. The good news is that it's possible to improve your toilet bowl and its seat to its original color. What causes yellow stains on toilet seat? Urine stains. Urine contains proteins, uric acid, calcium phosphates, and calcium carbonates. When exposed to air and hard water, these compounds react, forming a compound. Hard water stains. Hard water contains mineral deposits such as magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. These mineral deposits, after drying, will leave stains on a toilet bowl or seat. Harsh chemicals. Often, homeowners will think that harsher cleaning agents will do a better job of eliminating dirt and bacteria. However, some strong chemicals will react with a plastic toilet seat, discoloring it. Sunlight. If your toilet is located in direct view of the sun, it could cause staining. How to remove yellow stains from toilet seat. Vinegar. Pour some white vinegar all around the toilet bowl and seat. Then, allow it to sit for about 15 minutes. After the time has passed, pick a scrubbing brush or scouring pad and brush thoroughly in circular motions. Let it sit for another 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, rinse off the toilet and dry it out using a paper towel. Vinegar and baking soda paste. The vinegar and baking soda reaction produce carbonic acid, which is aggressive on stains. Here you need to add 1 cup of vinegar, and also use 1 cup of baking soda. Mix the two components and allow fizzing to occur. Then, pour the paste around the toilet seat and bowl. Allow it to sit there for a couple of hours before you scrub. Finally, flush and watch all the stains literally go down the drain. If the staining is too intense, you could leave the vinegar baking soda solution sitting on the toilet overnight. Bleach. Dilute 1 cup of bleach using 1 cup of water. Next, sprinkle the solution on the toilet seat, around the bowl, and pour the remaining solution at the bottom. Leave the bleach for about an hour before you scrub. Finally, use a scouring sponge or toilet brush to scrub the toilet thoroughly. Use Coke. Coke manufactured by the Coca-Cola Company contains phosphoric acid, which helps to soften stubborn stains. Pour Coke around the rims of the toilet bowl and allow it to sit for about 20 minutes. After this time has elapsed, brush the toilet thoroughly to remove stains that are now softened. Finally, flush your toilet to rinse the mixture away. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Spray the hydrogen peroxide around the toilet bowl. Then, sprinkle the baking soda on the already wet surface. Fizzing will occur when the two products come into contact. Allow the mixture to sit for about 30 minutes before scrubbing the toilet using a toilet brush or sponge. Finally, flush the toilet, which by now is sparkling clean. Borax solution. The borax powder works on stained areas within minutes. You need to mix the powder with some water in a 1:1 ratio. Apply the paste around the stained areas and leave it to soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then, use a brush and scrub thoroughly to remove the stains. Finally, flush your toilet. How to prevent yellow stains from forming on the toilet seat. Clean regularly. A cleaning routine means thorough scrubbing at least once a week. You should also soak the toilet in disinfectant and cleaning agents overnight to tackle any limescale. Always flush. Flushing eliminates unpleasant smells of urine and also prevents toilet seat discoloration. If you have a guest room with a bathroom, ensure that it is flushed and scrubbed every few days. Don't use harsh chemicals. Harsh chemicals can discolor your toilet bowl and seat. Yellow stains as a result of chemicals are difficult to clean. Instead, use mild chemicals. Don't use metal brushes or pumice stones. You should never use metal scrubbing brushes or a pumice stone because they will leave scratches and dents on a plastic toilet seat. A toilet with scratches and dents is difficult to care for because stains hide within the crevices. Chlorinated tablets. These tablets prevent color change while at the same time acting as a disinfectant. The toilet can harbor germs and yellow stains if neglected. It's never too late to get your entire toilet seat pristine once again. This guide is your go-to whenever you want to learn about how to clean a toilet with yellow stains or prevent them from forming in the first place. For tougher toilet-related problems than simple stains, give our plumbers a call at 848-448-3539 or fill out the contact form on our website www.proficientplumbing&heatingbricknj.com.